If you're considering buying PomoDoneApp for your productivity and time management needs, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision. PomoDoneApp is a popular choice for people looking to boost their focus and efficiency, but is it the best option for you? Let's dive into 12 key points you should consider. First off, PomoDoneApp integrates with several task management tools like Trello, Asana, and Todoist, which makes it easier to track your tasks while using the Pomodoro technique. This sets it apart from many other apps that require you to manually input tasks or don't offer seamless integration. However, if you already use these tools heavily, this could be a game changer. Next, the interface is pretty straightforward, which is great for people who want something simple. You won't be overwhelmed with options or complexity. But if you prefer a more feature-packed, customizable interface, you might find this lacking compared to competitors like Toggle or Clockify. The third thing is pricing. PomoDoneApp offers a free version with limited features, but if you're looking for the full set of functionalities, you'll need to go with the premium plan. The pricing is reasonable compared to competitors, but some apps like Focus Booster offer similar plans at slightly lower costs. The fourth thing to consider is the cross-platform availability. PomoDoneApp works on both desktop and mobile devices, which makes it easy to switch between devices. However, while it supports Windows, macOS, and iOS, its Android version is not as refined as some of its competitors, which could be a deal breaker for some. The fifth thing to note is that PomoDoneApp uses the Pomodoro technique, which is a time management method that breaks work into intervals, typically 25 minutes, followed by a short break. While this technique works for many, it's not for everyone. If you're someone who prefers more flexible time blocks, other tools like the Focused might suit you better. The sixth thing is its reporting feature. PomoDoneApp offers detailed reports on how you spend your time, which is helpful for tracking productivity. However, if you're a data-driven person and need more granular insights, tools like Toggle or Rescue Time provide more comprehensive reporting. Next, PomoDoneApp has a browser extension, which allows you to track time directly from your web apps. This feature is convenient, but if you tend to work offline or prefer a more minimalistic setup, this might feel like unnecessary clutter. The eighth thing to consider is its task filtering system. It allows you to group tasks based on projects or labels, which helps you stay organized. However, it lacks more advanced task management features, which means if you need in-depth project management features, you may need to look at tools like ClickUp. The ninth thing is the ability to sync between devices. While syncing works well for the most part, there are occasional syncing issues that can cause frustration. If seamless syncing across multiple devices is a top priority, you might want to check out alternatives like Harvest or Clockify. The 10th thing to mention is customer support. While PomoDoneApp does offer a support section, the response time can sometimes be slow. If responsive customer service is important to you, competitors like Toggle and Clockify generally have better support systems in place. Next thing, PomoDoneApp has limited integrations with third-party apps. While it works well with popular tools like Slack and Google Calendar, some users might find it restrictive compared to other productivity apps that integrate with a wider range of platforms. The 12th and final thing to consider is its simplicity. Some people love the no-frills approach, while others may find it a bit too basic. If you prefer a full-fledged productivity suite with task management, calendars, and time tracking, something like Notion or Todoist might give you more than just a Pomodoro timer. So, is PomoDoneApp worth it? If you're looking for a simple, straightforward Pomodoro timer with solid integrations, it could be a good option for you. However, if you need something with more features or more flexible time management, there are other options worth considering. And if you want a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.